In this video, I'll show you how to change the currency in your Google AdSense account and explain an important detail many beginners miss. In most cases, the primary currency of an AdSense account is set when the account is created and usually cannot be changed later. This currency determines how earnings and payments are calculated. However, you can adjust how numbers appear in certain reporting views to make performance data easier to read. Start by signing into your AdSense account and opening the Reports section from the left menu. In some report views, you may find display settings that allow currency conversion for reporting purposes. Keep in mind this only affects how data is shown on screen and does not change the currency used for payments. If you truly need a different payment currency, the typical option is creating a new AdSense account in the appropriate country, subject to Google's policies. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.